In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all Google Photos. If you want to create a backup of your photo library or simply save everything to your computer, the easiest way to do it is through Google Takeout. This is Google's export tool, and it lets you download your data in one place. First, go ahead and sign into your Google Takeout account. Once you're on the Takeout page, you'll see a long list of Google services that can be included in an export. From there, select Deselect All. This is an important step because by default, Google Takeout may include data from multiple services. If your goal is only to download your Google Photos, clearing everything first makes the process much easier and helps avoid exporting unnecessary files. Next, scroll down through the list until you find Google Photos, then check the box next to it. This tells Google that Photos is the only service you want included in the export. Take your time here since the list can be fairly long. After that, scroll down again until you find the Next Step button and click it. This takes you to the delivery and export settings where you can decide how you want to receive your files. In the destination section, choose Send Download Link via email. This option is usually the most straightforward because Google will email you a link once your export is ready. Depending on the size of your photo library, this can take some time, so don't worry if it isn't available immediately. Next, choose your export frequency. You can select export once if you only need a one-time download. You'll also see options to export every month for 1 year or every 2 months for 1 year. Those recurring options can be useful if you want ongoing backups without having to repeat the setup manually. Then select your file type and file size. The file type determines the format of the downloaded archive, and the file size controls how large each archive file can be before Google splits it into multiple parts. If you have a very large photo collection, expect your export to be divided into several files, which is completely normal. Finally, click Create Export. Once you do that, Google will begin preparing your Google Photos download. When everything is ready, you'll receive an email with the download link so you can save the archive to your device. And that's it. That's how to download all of your Google Photos using Google Takeout. If you're working with a large library, make sure you have enough storage space available before downloading the files.